So primarily I've been focusing in on using hair jigs, whether we're casting shorelines or casting some of these points. It seems to have been working pretty well. You know, purples and whites, purples and chartreuses, 3/8 ounce in size. Actually really comparable to how I fish hair jigs, say like on Great Lakes, like on Green Bay. And the gear for it actually is also pretty similar as well. What I'm using is actually one of these new Bass Pro Prodigy walleye rods. This is 6 foot 6 inch in length, medium extra fast. So you'll see that it just has a lot of backbone, but a very fast tip. The backbone's great because you can cast these hair jigs so far. You know, if we're fishing points and staying off them a ways, you're casting them way out there, and you can really get a good hook set into the fish if that hair jig's way out there. What I'll use then is obviously some type of super line so I can get as much feel as possible, a 10-pound test, tie an Albright knot to a fluorocarbon leader, and I'm using 15-pound fluorocarbon, 2 3-foot leader right to the hair jig. So pretty simple setup. And I'll tell you what, in this cold weather, these walleyes, smallies, crappies, bunch of different species really like to attack these things.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.